We have shredded cheese that goes into the menu, which of course we all have already weighed out. We have the vegetable base, which is weighed out. We have cheddar cheese sauce, which is weighed out. The recipe is as follows. It tells us to remove the broccoli from frozen, which I have my broccoli and carrots that I weighed out right here.
The soup is part of a plan to put more speed scratch cooking into our menus. So much that our daily lives are so quick, and kids, have everything so packaged, that we wanted to bring a little taste of home cooking into schools.
So to begin this, we take the water, and as we read the directions, we combine the vegetable base with the water in the 4-inch deep steam table pan. And of course we have to melt it down some. Once this is pretty much dissolved, the recipe informs us to stir in the garlic and onion powder. So now what we're going to do is we're going to return this to the steamer.
Speed scratch is a way of implementing home cooking into a process that you're serving, say, 80,000 kids. So you're making things sort of from home, but with ingredients that are partially pre-made.
Broccoli. We'll add the carrots. Okay, once I have done this, I need to steam the vegetables for 5 minutes.
This particular recipe has 4 ingredients and a couple of spices, and they're all basically, you can mix them together and put them in the steamer and warm them up to the temperature, and they come out with that broccoli soup. So the idea is to just keep it easy so that you can make a whole lot of it for a lot of kids.
Because as you can see, as it cooks, so now we chop the vegetables. All right.
Yeah, that was actually the biggest challenge. It's creating that recipe. It's a standardized recipe, so that way if I go to Apex and make the soup, or I go to Zebulon and make the soup, it's going to be the same soup. So we make a standardized recipe. And you have to do all your planning. We use a food buying guide, and you just measure everything out. So I have to make sure that I'm including a half cup of vegetables, and this particular recipe has a 2-ounce equivalent of a meat alternate to our cheeses in there. So it's a lot of math.
Oh, just the stock alone smells wonderful. We add all ingredients. We have the stock. We have the vegetables.
What's good about it? It's cheesy and it's thick and warm, and it's good for a cold, rainy day, and it's good for you. Broccoli, you can't go wrong with broccoli.
And now we return to steamer for 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be done.
We have a new broccoli and cheese soup on the menu, and we want your opinions because we are making this food for you, and we need to know if you like it. But broccoli is a great source of vitamin C. You can get it from oranges and strawberries, but also broccoli, a green vegetable. Isn't that cool? Because when we eat with our eyes, our smell, and our taste. We use more than one sense when we're taste testing something or when we're eating our food. And if you like it, I'm going to ask you to raise your green card.
Yeah, it has crushed. It looks like cheese and crushed. It's warm though.
I wish I could eat all of this.
This is so good.
Is it cheesy? Is it savory?
Cheesy.
It's cheesy.
Cheesy.
Green cards. Because we are here to provide you lunches and breakfast every single day. And we can't do it if we don't know what is appealing to you, what you like, and what your dislikes are, and what you would like to see. So thank you for your feedback today. Thank you for coming.